In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a web page as a PDF in Google Chrome. If you've ever stumbled upon a web page you'd like to keep for offline use or share with someone in a more permanent format, converting it to a PDF is a fantastic solution. Let's walk through the steps together. First off, you'll begin by navigating to the web page you want to save. This is your starting point, where you'll perform all necessary actions to convert your content into a PDF file. Once you have the page loaded in your browser, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the three-dot menu, also known as the More menu. It's a small icon that leads to a range of options allowing you to customize your browser experience. Click on this three-dot menu. In the drop-down that appears, you'll see various options, ranging from New tab to History. However, our focus today would be on the Print option. Select Print from the drop-down menu. Although it might seem counterintuitive, this option is where we can start the process of saving your web page as a PDF. Now with the Print dialog box open, you'll notice different options for customizing how this web page will be saved. Your next step lies in the Destination section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that currently might say something like your printer's name. Click this drop-down, and from the list of available options, select Save as PDF. This change essentially reroutes the printing process to create a PDF instead of sending it to a physical printer. Before saving, you have the option to tweak some settings to better fit your needs. You might want to check and adjust specifics like the number of pages you want to save, whether you'd like it in portrait or landscape layout, or even change the margins. All these modifications can be accessed and altered right from this same dialog box. Adjusting these settings is optional, but they can be incredibly helpful depending on how you intend to use or share your PDF. Once you're satisfied with these selections, move on to clicking the Save button. This isn't the final step yet. This action will prompt you to select a location to save your file. A dialog box will pop up asking you where you'd like to store this PDF on your computer. Here, you can choose your preferred folder and even give your file a distinctive name, making it easier to retrieve later. When you're happy with the location and file name, click Save again. And there you have it. The web page is now saved as a PDF in your chosen location, ready to view, share, or store as you see fit. This method is not only an efficient way to capture and save information, but also ensures that the integrity of the web page's content is maintained, providing you with a reliable and structured document. Happy saving!